So if we want to know how much area we cut from this residential buildings, we can I can turn off all files and open just the residential clip attribute table. Okay, and we have many things. And I go the end of the column. It's here the shape area. Okay, the shape is area. If we want to go to statistics, visualize statistics, here you can see the sum area which we totally cut from the residential buildings. Okay, it's here it says 367.243 meters square. Okay, and your data could be different, so then I can close it and close the statistics, and here you can see the first, this value is belong to this house. Okay, this is now I cut, always clear, turn off, and after project. This is the after project, the conditions of this mahalla. Okay, so after the project, when you finish, you have to just print screenshot, take a screenshot of your results, and just go and create the one Word file. Okay, just give the name is report first, and just open and paste your results. Okay, this is your results. So this screenshot is proof that you know arrays functions. Okay, tools. Okay. And now we use another tool, is we use the select by locations. Okay, to select by locations, I use my residential vector. I turn off the after project and turn off the residential and buffer. The first function I will use intersect. Intersect means how many residential buildings of the residential is intersected with this buffer. Okay, the buffer is, this file is the road buffer file. Okay, to do this I have to go select by locations. Okay, so instead of after the project, I select just residential buildings. This is this file, okay, which you see now, and relationship is intersect. Okay, and selecting feature is not monuments but road BM buffer. Okay, then apply. When you apply, you see some residential building is selected which are intersect with buffer file. Okay, so how many they are selected? To see, we need to open the attribute table of this You can see here is, you just see some of them is selected, and 13 of 45 is selected. That means this buffer in vector file intersected 13 houses. Okay, good. This is the 13 houses. Okay, perfect. And again, just do the screenshot. Okay, and pass it to your Word report. Okay, this is too big. Okay, good. Save it. And now we close and always clear the selections. And now the second, I want to know how much residential buildings is touching the boundary to monuments. Okay, monuments. I again go select by locations, residential. Okay, this is the residentials. Relationship intersect, not intersect, but boundary touch. Okay, the boundary touch. Selecting feature is monuments. Apply. You see, some buildings is selected of residential vector file, which is touch the boundary of the monuments here. Okay, is a monument. Selecting feature is input feature is residentials. Okay, again, just print screen this. Go to Word file, report file, and just put the screen. Okay, this is a little bit bigger, and you can make small. Okay, and just please write what you did. Save. Okay, and clear. Always clear. So we can test by using the select by location tool. We can use it for testing to breaking the urban planning rules. For example, in historical monuments, we cannot locate any wells, sewage wells, within a distance of 5 meters. Okay, so we can taste this rule. To taste this rule, we need the well file. So I will upload my well file to the project. To do this, I go to view again, catalog pane. This is my well file. Okay, right click, add to current map. You can see my wells. There are many. This is just example. Okay, don't worry. So I change the symbol. I give this some yellow color maybe, or this is good. Apply. Okay, but I increase the size. Okay, apply. Size is, we need a bigger. Maybe I change again the colors. Maybe I can give the more brighter color. Sorry for that. Is, or just I can select in gallery. Okay, this is maybe this one is better, or this one is better, or I can select this one. Okay, no problem. Good. So then I go to, again, maps, select bilocations. Okay, select bilocations, and I have to select the wells. Okay, the wells input feature, and relationship is within distance, okay, and selecting feature is monuments. Okay, and searching distance is 5 meters. Okay, so look, the wells will be selected here, which is close to 5 meter to monuments. Okay, then apply. And apply. Here you can see some of the wells are selected. These, and these. Okay, this, according to urban planning rules, these wells must be removed. Okay, if I want to know how much wells is, I just go to wells, attribute tables. Okay, and you see 8 wells are selected among 42 selected. Total is 42. Okay, this is the wells, 8 wells. Okay, then I go to, okay, the same thing you can do with these wells. If the wells is located in here, okay, and some of them is also could be selected, no problem. Always clear. After using this, always clear. Okay, so until now we tested rules like intersect, we selected, and within distance, and also boundary touch. Okay, the same you can use other rules also, relationship rules. I turn off my wells for the moment. Okay.